I want to do a few more examples of removing the parameter. So when you remove the parameter from a parametric curve, you can either solve one of the equations for t and then substitute into the other, and that's what we did in the example earlier. Another thing you can do is take advantage of a trig identity like this. So let's look at this equation. X equals sine squared t and y equals secant t. Well, we know sine squared t plus cosine squared t is 1. So I can just replace this sine squared t with x. And the cosine squared t, if y is equal to secant t, y squared is, basically I'm trying to do stuff to change this into cosine squared. If I square secant, I get secant squared. And now if I take the reciprocal of both sides, I get 1 over y squared equals cosine squared t. So this gives me x plus 1 over y squared equals 1. And that's the equation. Let's do 202. X is natural log of 2t and y equals 2t plus 5. Okay, there's no trig in this one, so on this one we just need to solve one for t and plug into the other. Now you could do this either way. It would be perfectly fine to solve this for t. So you get y minus 5 equals 2t. So t is, I'll just say y minus 5 over 2. Or better yet, I don't need to solve this one all the way for t because of this 2t here. I'm going to plug into there and get x equals natural log of 2t. So that gives me x equals natural log of y minus 5. And that works. Now, another thing I could do on here is I could solve the first one for t. Have to e raised to both sides. So I get t is 1/2 e to the x. Now I'll plug that into the other one. Y equals 2t plus 5. So you get y equals e to the x plus 5. And both of these are correct. It's just one is solved out for y and one is solved out for x. All right, let's look at the last example. Remove the parameter from these parametric equations. Okay, this one, I'm not going to solve it all the way out for t. This one over here has got e to the t, and this one has e to the 3t. So if I take this one and solve it just for e to the t, I'll get e to the t is equal to x plus 1. And now, how do you get from e to the t? How do you get from there to e to the 3t? Well, you cube it. Whenever you cube something, that triples the exponent. So if I cube both sides of this guy over here, what I get out of it is x plus 1 quantity cubed equals e to the 3t. And this over here says e to the 3t is equal to y. So I get x plus 1 quantity cubed equals y. All right, that's it.